Hey, it's George with George's Car Events. Today, I'm going to take this 2020 Hyundai Ioniq and show you how to charge it with the provided home charger. So follow me. We're going to get in it and open the door. There's a little button right here. We're going to hit this button. It's going to pop the door. When you pop the door, you're going to see this dust cover. You're going to want to remove it. The top one is going to be for your home charger. This, you would unplug this if you were at a fast charger. So I'm going to pop the trunk. Back here, in this case, is going to be the home charger. So you're going to take this out. Once you unzip it, comes out real easy. As you can see, it's got a dust cover here. You're going to, let's see if I do this like that. I don't know why that gave me such a fit. So you're going to take your plug here to our outlet. All right. So once you've done that, you're going to take this charger, you're going to plug that into here. Should take it just a minute to connect. Just make sure. Oh, maybe that plug don't work. Do none of these plugs work? This should power up. Let's just try maybe one of these. So now that we found a proper power source, as you can see, it's charging. This will tell you the battery is at 3/4 charge. It is connected to the car. Another telltale way that you're going to be able to tell it's charging. You'll see these 3 lights on the dash. As you can see, it's 3/4 charge. Once that last light illuminates, then she'll be fully charged. And that's it for the 2020 Hyundai Ioniq. This one is available at AutoNow in Jasper. If you like this one, come take a look at it. 812-634-2277 is our phone number.